You've been doing factoring for a while, starting to feel pretty good about it. But there is one critical step you have to do at the end of every factoring problem, or you could end up getting a whole bunch of them wrong. I'm Adam Reich with WonderfulTutor.com. Let's talk about it. First, we're going to start with x squared minus 10x minus 24. And we're going to do what we often do with factoring problems. We're going to create two sets of parentheses, just like this, and we're going to put an x at the front of each one. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to look at this number way over here on the right. In this case, it's 24. And we're going to write out all the factors starting with 1. That is 1 times 24, and 2 times 12, 3 times 8, and 4 times 6. Then what we want to do is we want to see if we can add or subtract these numbers to end up with this middle number right here. And we don't want to look at the signs at this point. We're going to look at the pluses and minuses only at the very end of the problem. So for now, we're just thinking about this middle number as a 10. So do 4 and 6 add up to 10? Let's see. Actually, they do. So we can just use the 4 and the 6, put them right here. And now that we have those numbers in place, we are actually finally ready to take a look at the signs. So it's not just going to be a 10 now, it's going to be a negative 10. What do the signs of the 4 and the 6 need to be so that when they add together, they do equal negative 10? Well, in this case, it would be a negative 4 and a negative 6. Perfect. Guess we're done, right? Right? Not right. And here's the reason. At the end of every factoring problem, you must check to see if the sign on the left times the sign on the right is equal to this sign way over here on the right side of the original expression. Is a negative times a negative equal to a negative? No, it's not, which means that this whole solution that we've come up with is totally wrong. Let's see if we can find another pair that works out better. We know that 4 plus 6 is 10, but that is not the right answer. So is 6 minus 4 equal to 10? No, that's 2. Let's keep going. 3 plus 8 is 11, not 10. 8 minus 3 is 5, certainly not 10. 2 plus 12 is 14, also not 10. 12 minus 2 is just the 10 we were looking for. So now we think probably the correct answer is going to be 2 and 12. So let's try those out. We put the 2 here, we put the 12 here. What do the signs of the 2 and the 12 need to be now so that when we add them, it does become negative 10 again? That's going to be a positive 2 and a negative 12. And now we have to do that final step again, that double check. Is this positive here times this negative here equal to this negative here? This time that's correct, so we do actually have the correct answer to this factoring problem. I hope this was helpful for you. If you learned something today, go ahead and subscribe and hit the like button. My name is Adam Reich with WonderfulTutor.com, and I'll see you next time.